फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आशा है आप सभी स्वस्थ हैं होंगे। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग क्लास 12th केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट पेपर सॉलिड स्टेट टॉपिक पे चर्चा करेंगे। और आज की हमारी जो हेडिंग है वो है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ crystalline solids based upon the nature of constituent particle and binding forces present between them. Based upon the constituents particle and binding forces between them. Binding forces between them. The crystalline solids are classified. The crystalline solids are classified into the following four categories. Number first, ionic solid. Number second, molecular solid. Number third, covalent or network solid. Number fourth, metallic solids. Number first, ionic solids. Ionic solids. In these crystalline solids, the constituent particles are positive and negative ions. Arranged in three-dimensional space. Arranged in 3D space. Their important characteristics are below. Their important characteristics are below. Number first, because of strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Because of strong electrostatic forces of attraction, they have high melting and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल के बीच में बहुत अधिक आकर्षण बल होने के कारण उनका गलनांक और क्वथनांक बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। They are electrical insulator in solid state. They are electrical insulators in solid state because their ions are not free. Because their ions are not free to move in the aqueous solution or in the molten state. In the aqueous solution or in the molten stage, they are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductors of electricity because ions become free. Because ions become free. They are soluble in polar solvent. They are soluble in polar solvent. ध्रुवीय यौगिकों में विलेय होते हैं. Because of strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Because of strong electrostatic forces of attraction, the ions are closely packed. The ions are closely packed and hence ionic solids are hard. And hence ionic solids are hard. They are brittle. They are brittle because their stability depends on on preservation of their geometric pattern. Preservation on their geometric pattern. Number second, molecular solids. Number second type of crystalline solids are molecular solids. In these solids, constituent particles are molecules. The constituents particles are molecules. Depending upon the nature of molecules, depending upon the nature of molecules, these are further subdivided. Are further subdivided into two groups. Into three groups. Number first, non-polar molecular solid. Non-polar molecular solids. अध्रुवी यौगिक. These are those crystalline solids. These are those crystalline solids in which constituent particles are. In which constituents particles are either atoms like those of noble gases, either atoms of noble gases are like H2, I2, Cl2 and CH4. The forces operating between them are weak. The forces operating between them are weak. Called London forces or van der Waal forces. Main characteristic of non-polar molecules are main characteristics of non-polar solids are as follows. Solids are as follows. Number first, these solids are generally soft. These solids are generally soft because of weak intermolecular forces present between them. They are non-conductors of electricity. Are non-conductors of electricity as there are no ions present. As there are no ions are present. They are soft. They are soft. They have low melting and boiling point and have low melting and boiling points. Due to weak intermolecular forces present between them, due to weak intermolecular forces present between them, they are generally gaseous or liquid state. They are generally liquid or in gaseous state at room temperature. Number second type of molecular solid is polar molecular solids. Polar molecular solids. These are those crystalline solids. These are those crystalline solids in which constituent particles are polar molecules such as HCl, SO2, it's SO2 forces of holding these molecules together, forces holding these molecules together are dipole forces of attraction. Dipole forces of attraction. These solids show the following properties. These solids show the following प्रॉपर्टीज. इनके अंदर ये निम्नलिखित विशेषताएं होती हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट, पोलर molecules solids are soft. They are non-conductors of electricity, non-conductors of electricity. Their melting points and boiling point are comparatively higher. Their melting point and boiling points are comparatively higher. Than non-polar molecular solids. Than non-polar molecular सॉलिड्स। नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूलर सॉलिड्स की तुलना में मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होते हैं? अधिक होते हैं। दे एग्जिस्ट एज लिक्विड और गैसियस स्टेट। दे exist in the liquid or in the gaseous state at room temperature. Number third, hydrogen bonded molecular solids. Hydrogen bonded molecular solids. Constituent particles are such molecules. The constituents particles are such molecules which contain hydrogen atom, which contain hydrogen atom linked to highly electronegative atom, linked to highly electronegative atom, small in size, such as fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. Fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen. These solids show the following properties. These solids show the following properties. They exist as volatile liquids. They exist as volatile liquid or soft solid or soft solids at room temperature and ordinary pressure. They are not conductors of electricity or non-conductors of electricity. Their melting and boiling points are their melting and boiling points are higher as compared to polar solids and non-polar solids. Number third type of crystalline solid is covalent or network solids. Covalent or network solids. These are those crystalline solids these are those crystalline solids in which constituent particles are non-metal atoms, non-metal atoms linked to adjacent atoms by atoms by covalent bond. Main characteristic of these solids are as follows. Main characteristics of these solids are as follows. Number first, as covalent bonds are strong and as covalent bonds are strong and directional, these solids are very hard and brittle. These solids are very hard and brittle. They have high melting point. They have high melting points and may even decompose before their melting points. Number 4 type of crystalline solid is metallic solid. Metallic solids. In case of metals, the constituent particles are positively charged metal ion. The constituents particles are positively charged metal ions. These are produced from metal atom. These are produced from metal atom because metal atom have low ionization energy. Because metal atoms have low ionization energy and can easily lose their valence electron, their valence electrons to leave behind positively, to leave behind positive charged metal ions. The force that binds the metal ion, the force that binds the metal ions together in the crystal, together in the crystal is called metallic bond, called metallic bond. These solids have the following characteristics. These solids have the following characteristics. Number first, they possess high electrical and they possess high electrical and thermal conductivity, and थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी, उनकी विद्युत चालकता और उसमें चालकता ज़्यादा होती है. This is because an applying electric current. This is because an applying electric current, electron start moving towards, electron starts moving towards positively charged electrode, positively charged electrodes. They possess luster and color. They possess luster and color. This is explained on the basis of free electron. This is explained on the basis of free electrons. So friends, in this video link, इस वीडियो लिंक में इतना ही. अगले वीडियो लिंक में आप लोगों को क्रिस्टलाइटिस और स्पेशलाइटिस एंड यूनिट सेल के बारे में बताऊंगा. तो आप हमारे अगले वीडियो लिंक की प्रतीक्षा करें. धन्यवाद.